What did you say?
She's not dangerous.
She's not dangerous?
No.
Is she a good girl?
Yeah.
Or is she bad?
She's good girl.
She a good girl? She's not dangerous?
No.
How come you say for her not to touch you?
She's not gonna touch me.
Because she's dangerous?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes. She is mad.
Tell Daddy.
Huh?
Tell Daddy.
She time out, Dad.
She time out?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Why she time out?
Cause she time out.
She being a bad girl?
Yes. Cause she touched me.
She touched you, now she's been time out?
Yes.
Oh, no.
She time out right here.
Okay.
Don't touch her.
I'm not touching her. She's dangerous.
Yeah.
What is she?
She is dangerous.
She's dangerous?
Yes. I gotta cover her and not look at her.
You're going to cover her with a diaper?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't look at her.
Okay, I won't.
And she's dangerous.
She's dangerous too?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Gotta cover her. Gotta cover her. And she's not being dangerous.
She's going to be dangerous.